Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Firstly, sorry for my English because I know it's terrible, but today I'm here to tell you about my harness and myself. I'm parrot breeder, also I'm parrot harness maker. All my harness are handmade and they are a special design to work and to practice free flight with your parrot. They can be fully customized with your favorite colors, your phone number and your pet name. Also, they are easy wear for you and your parrot. Just take a look, because it's too easy and comfortable for your parrot. You only take 3 seconds to put it on and take it off. Every single part of the harness is super safe. And that's it. So if you are interested in a harness for your parrot, you just have to text me on WhatsApp. In addition, the harness has a working leash and a longer steel leash for free flight training. Also, if you need help with the harness or for train your parrot to free flight, I can help you if you want. Because of that, it's so important if you like this video, you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell of the channel. Finally, let me introduce you some of pets from happy customer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and enjoy your parrot. Thank you so much.